NLN NEX biology questions. Question 1. Which answer identifies the blood component helps form clots in this glucose regulation item? Option A, lymph. Option B, red blood cells. Option C, platelets. Option D, neutrophils. The correct answer is option. Platelets gather at injured vessels and help form clots. Lymph is a body fluid rather than a clotting cell fragment. Red blood cells carry oxygen, and neutrophils fight infection. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a chart reading item, which answer identifies the organ filters wastes from the blood to make urine? Option A, stomach. Option B, a spleen. Option C, kidney. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option. The kidneys filter blood and remove wastes through urine. Stomach digests food, spleen filters blood cells and supports immunity, and pancreas secretes digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 3. After checking the choices in a ratio setup item, which answer identifies the organ mainly pumps blood through the body? Option A, bladder. Option B, heart. Option C, liver. Option D, lung. The correct answer is option. The heart is the muscular pump that moves blood through the circulatory system. Bladder stores urine, liver processes chemicals and bile, and lung exchanges gases. Question 4. If a unit conversion stem gives one clear clue, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, alveoli. Option B, the villi. Option C, a bronchi. Option D, nephrons. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, bronchi carry air toward the lungs, and nephrons filter blood in kidneys. Question 5. When time is limited on a percentage item question, which answer identifies the organ mostly absorbs digested nutrients? Option A, gallbladder. Option B, esophagus. Option C, small intestine. Option D, large intestine. The correct answer is option. Most nutrient absorption occurs through villi in the small intestine. Gallbladder stores bile, esophagus moves food to the stomach, and large intestine absorbs water and forms stool. Question 6. Given the information in a fraction item, which answer identifies the hormone lowers blood glucose? Option A, glucagon. Option B, melatonin. Option C, adrenaline. Option D, insulin. The correct answer is option. Insulin helps cells take in glucose, lowering blood sugar. Glucagon raises blood glucose, melatonin helps regulate sleep, and adrenaline supports fight or flight responses. Question 7. Suppose a similar mean score item appears on test day, which answer identifies the hormone raises blood glucose between meals? Option A, calcitonin. Option B, thyroxine. Option C, glucagon. Option D, insulin. The correct answer is option. Glucagon signals the liver to release glucose into the blood. Calcitonin helps lower blood calcium, thyroxine regulates metabolism, and insulin lowers blood glucose. Question 8. While working through a timed probability set, which answer identifies the system coordinates fast body responses using electrical signals? Option A, digestive system. Option B, the nervous system. Option C, endocrine system. Option D, skeletal system. The correct answer is option. The nervous system sends rapid signals through neurons. Digestive system breaks down food, endocrine system uses hormones and is generally slower, and skeletal system supports the body. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a test strategy item, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, platelet. Option B, enzyme. Option C, antibody. Option D, hormone. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Platelet helps clotting, enzyme speeds chemical reactions, and antibody targets antigens. Question 10. A student sees this main idea on a NEX review, which answer identifies the type of immunity produced after vaccination? Option A, active immunity. Option B, innate immunity. Option C, passive immunity. Option D, mechanical immunity. The correct answer is option. Vaccination stimulates the body to make its own immune memory. Innate immunity is present at birth and nonspecific, passive immunity comes from received antibodies, and mechanical immunity is not the standard term for vaccine response. Question 11. One inference clue practice problem tests this skill. Which answer identifies the first line of defense against many pathogens? Option A, skin. Option B, antibiotics. Option C, red blood cells. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option. Skin is a physical barrier that helps block pathogen entry. Antibiotics are medicines, not a body barrier. Red blood cells carry oxygen, and pancreas regulates digestion and glucose. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in an author purpose item. Which answer identifies the basic unit of heredity? Option A, lipid. Option B, enzyme. Option C, neuron. Option D, gene. The correct answer is option. A gene is a DNA segment that carries instructions for a trait or product. Lipid is a fat-like molecule, enzyme is a protein catalyst, and neuron is a nerve cell. Question 13. For this summary task nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the cell division that produces two identical body cells? Option A, meiosis. Option B, mitosis. Option C, osmosis. Option D, fertilization. The correct answer is option. Mitosis creates genetically identical daughter cells for growth and repair. Meiosis produces sex cells with half the chromosomes, osmosis moves water, and fertilization joins gametes. Question 14. In a short sentence correction practice STEM, which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, diffusion. Option B, translation. Option C, meiosis. Option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Diffusion moves particles down a gradient, translation builds proteins, and mitosis produces identical body cells. Question 15. Among the choices in a punctuation review item, which answer identifies the molecule that stores genetic code? Option A, hemoglobin. Option B, KTP. Option C, glucose. Option D, DNA. The correct answer is option. DNA stores hereditary instructions in its sequence of bases. Hemoglobin carries oxygen in blood, ADP stores usable cell energy, and glucose is a sugar fuel. Question 16. Using the facts in a pronoun agreement question, which answer identifies the molecule that is the main immediate energy currency of cells? Option A, KTP. Option B, DNA. Option C, starch. Option D, cholesterol. The correct answer is option. ATP releases energy for many cellular processes. DNA stores genetic information, starch stores plant carbohydrates, and cholesterol is a lipid component. Question 17. Based on the clue in a parallel structure item, which answer identifies the protein that speeds a chemical reaction? Option A, hormone. Option B, mineral. Option C, enzyme. Option D, antigen. The correct answer is option. Enzymes lower activation energy and speed reactions. Hormone is a chemical messenger, mineral is an inorganic nutrient, and antigen is a target recognized by immunity. Question 18. Consider this high-yield active voice concept, which answer identifies the solution with pH below 7? Option A, neutral. Option B, isotonic. Option C, basic. Option D, acidic. The correct answer is option. A pH below 7 indicates an acidic solution. Neutral describes pH 7, isotonic describes equal solute concentration, and basic describes pH above 7. Question 19. Near the end of a capitalization check review session, which answer identifies the process that keeps internal conditions stable? Option A, mutation. Option B, respiration. Option C, homeostasis. Option D, metabolism. The correct answer is option. Homeostasis maintains stable internal conditions despite external changes. Mutation is a DNA change, respiration is gas exchange or cellular energy release, and metabolism is the sum of chemical reactions. Question 20. Across similar clinical scenario nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the feedback loop that reduces a change and restores balance? Option A, positive feedback. Option B, a transpiration. Option C, negative feedback. Option D, diffusion. The correct answer is option. Negative feedback reverses a change to bring the body back toward a set point. Positive feedback amplifies a change, transpiration is water loss from plants, and diffusion moves particles down a gradient. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the community clinic clue, which answer identifies the blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Option A, artery. Option B, lymph duct. Option C, a vein. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under higher pressure. Lymph duct moves lymph, not pumped blood away from heart. Vein returns blood toward the heart, and capillary exchanges materials with tissues. Question 22. From the information in a student survey item, which answer identifies the blood vessel that returns blood to the heart? Option A, alveolus. Option B, capillary. Option C, a vein. Option D, artery. The correct answer is option. Veins return blood to the heart and often contain valves. Alveolus is an air sac, capillary is a tiny exchange vessel, and artery carries blood away from the heart. Question 23. At a testing desk during a wellness app review, which answer identifies the tiny vessel where nutrient and gas exchange occurs? Option A, a vein. Option B, artery. Option C, a trachea. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option. Capillaries have thin walls that allow exchange with tissues. Vein returns blood to the heart, artery moves blood away from the heart, and trachea carries air. Question 24. Inside a practice timer science or skills item, which answer identifies the structure that connects muscle to bone? Option A, tendon. Option B, neuron. Option C, cartilage. Option D, ligament. The correct answer is option. Tendons attach muscles to bones so movement can occur. Neuron transmits nerve signals, cartilage cushions joints, and ligament connects bone to bone. Question 25. Through careful reading of a exam readiness stem, which answer identifies the structure that connects bone to bone? Option A, ligament. Option B, tendon. Option C, enzyme. Option D, alveolus. The correct answer is option. Ligaments stabilize joints by connecting bones to other bones. Tendon connects muscle to bone, enzyme catalyzes reactions, and alveolus exchanges gases.